What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm back with an update on Jasmy. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
Alright, so at the current moment, there still hasn't been a whole lot of change. I still think the crypto market is still very indecisive. As you can see, Bitcoin's currently sitting at 58,300. Now, if we scroll all the way down, you can see Jasmy is currently the 64th largest crypto, and they're trading at a price point of just over 2 cents with a market cap of just under 1 billion. Now, if you look at Jasmy in the last month, they are down about 33%, which means that if Jasmy is a project that you guys believe in long term, it might not be a bad time to start dollar cost averaging in. But obviously, that's not financial advice. Do what's best for you. And if you guys are looking to accumulate Jasmy, they're listed on pretty much everything, so you shouldn't have much trouble buying it. But we'll go ahead and take a look at the Jasmy X account. And they actually just posted 6 hours ago. Jasmy will be exhibiting at Tex Plus on August 22nd and 23rd. Don't miss the opportunity to attend a talk by our COO, Saito. We look forward to seeing you there. And I say this all the time, but I love to see when projects attend events. In my eyes, it legitimizes them to the public, which is also very important because it's going to help build hype around your project. And at the end of the day, hype is what is going to drive price action. And then they had also reposted Janction on August 15th. Janction DWF Labs and WebEx side event. Join us for an unforgettable evening at the secret restaurant location. So same thing as I just said for the previous post. Jasmy is continuing to get their name out there, which is very important. But those are actually the only 2 posts since my last Jasmy video. So now we'll go ahead and take a look at some macro news. So Watcher Guru just posted 1 hour ago, Italy's second oldest bank to offer Bitcoin trading to over 1.3 million customers. And as I say in pretty much every video, crypto just continues to grow and grow and grow. And to go along with that, on August 17th, Dubai officially approves Bitcoin and crypto for salary payments. I truly don't understand how there are still people who think crypto is going to die out. This is the kind of stuff that tells you it's not going anywhere. And then this right here could be really cool. On August 14th, MetaMask launches a debit card in partnership with MasterCard. And I know there are a lot of people out there who use MetaMask, including myself. And then lastly, on August 14th, US inflation falls to 2.9%, lower than expectations. And eventually this should lead to rate cuts, which rate cuts should be very good for Bitcoin. Because usually when interest rates get lowered, risk on assets thrive. And Bitcoin is considered a risk on asset. But while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I post on here pretty much every single day. And then I would also like to take a moment to talk about my private Discord through Patreon. So at the current moment, I have 3 different tiers, and there are many benefits to joining my Discord. For example, this is going to give you guys closer access to me, and you guys are going to be able to track the cryptos that I'm personally buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold. And we have been making some huge gains in here. For example, I had posted a buy alert for Hoppy at a $580,000 market cap, and Hoppy ran up to over an $87 million market cap. That is around a 150x. Just to put that in perspective, if you guys had invested $1,000, your $1,000 would have been worth around $150,000. Those are life-changing gains to most people. So if this is the kind of thing that sounds interesting to you guys, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. We're building a very strong community. I'd love to see you guys in here. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. And I'm going to be honest with you, in the short term, I don't really love the look of Jasmy or Bitcoin. They're both very similar in the fact that the daily time frame they're trading beneath all of the moving averages. And then you look at the stochastics, and the stochastics are getting very overbought. I would even argue that Jasmy is forming a descending triangle or a bear flag. Either way, usually those patterns break to the downside. Now, I will say, in Jasmy's case, it should break to the upside if Bitcoin can break to the upside. However, as I said, I also don't love the look of Bitcoin. Purely from a structure standpoint, I think it looks a lot better than Jasmy. You could actually argue that Bitcoin is forming a bull flag, which break up 68% of the time. And in this case, this bull flag would have a measure move to around 67,800. And if it did actually get that break to the upside, that would be huge because it'd get us back above all of these moving averages. But similar to Jasmy, the main thing I don't like to see for Bitcoin right now is that the stochastics are getting very overbought. Usually that means we don't have the juice to get this move. But there are times that you can see the stochastics just get pinned up here. So we'll have to see. But regardless of what happens in the short term, I think it is very important to actually look at the bigger picture because still so many people don't understand what is actually going on right now. So if you look at the 10-day time frame for Bitcoin, we had this very explosive run up and now we're just consolidating. And on the larger time frames, we're basically forming a giant bull flag. And the stochastics are very oversold and the RSI is getting very oversold. Both have legs to run up. Not to mention there's also a Class C bullish divergence, which bullish divergence on this large of a time frame is very rare. And then if this bull flag were to break up all the way to the measured move, it'd take you to around $120,000. Now, I do want you to understand that that $97,000 to $100,000 range would most likely be heavy resistance, just because it's a psychological level. But there is a chance that by the time October or November roll around, that Bitcoin is absolutely flying. Obviously, that's not guaranteed, but just look at the bigger picture. Realistically speaking, these could be the times that you need to be accumulating crypto. But again, obviously do what's best for you. And at the end of the day, this is crypto, so make sure you are prepared for all scenarios. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments how high do you guys think Jasmy will go this bull run. If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.